Hi everyone, my name is Alexis and I work at Request Network. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can receive stablecoin and pay in stablecoin from a Safe Smart account. For this demo, I created three different wallets. One that will be our payer wallet, another one that is going to be the recipient wallet and also the signer number one, and another wallet for signer number two. So go to the Safe website, connect with your recipient wallet. So I'm using MetaMask. Confirm. And as you can see, I'm connected here with my recipient wallet ending in D4DA. Then you go to Safe Account and you create your Safe Smart account. Let's call it Demo Safe account. And from there, you're going to select all the chains that you want to use for that Safe account. Given that the request network protocol is compatible with the main EVMs, I recommend you select Ethereum Base Polygon, BNB Arbitrum, and OP Mainnet. Then you click Next. And from there, you're going to add your different signers. So signer number one, which is actually the wallet address with which I connected to Safe. And I'm going to add the wallet address from signer number two. And here you set up the threshold. The threshold is the number of wallets that need to sign in order for a transaction to be executed. In that case, I'm picking two, but you can add as many signers as you want, and you can select as many signers as you want. Next, create account. For the purpose of this demo, get paid on base and pay from base. So for that, I'm going to activate the base chain from my Safe account. Activate now, activate. So now I'm going to connect to the request network dashboard with my recipient wallet. So connect, sign in. And as you can see, I'm signing in with the D4DA, which is my recipient wallet here. So now you have to set up your payment destination. As a recipient, you select on which chain you want to be paid and in which token. So it can be paid on any of those chains. And basically, your payers can pay you from any of those chains and in any of those tokens. And the request network protocol will manage the bridging, the swapping, and the gas for the payer. So the experience is super simple for them. I'm going back to Safe. I'm copying my smart account address, and I'm going to set it up as a recipient wallet. I leave the transaction screening enabled. This is important because you can screen your payer wallets before a transaction is initiated, meaning that no bad actors funds will touch your Safe account. All right, so now my payment destination is ready. I can go to get paid and let's initiate a transaction to be paid on my Safe Smart contract. So I'm going to call it test. Payer ID, I'm going to put also test. And let's be paid $2. So I'm creating now the payment link. I'm opening it. And now I'm going to pay with the payer wallet. So let's connect with the payer wallet. All right. So on my payer wallet, I've got 10 USDC on Ethereum. So I'm going to select Ethereum and USDC. choose this currency. As you can see, there will be a bridge because we set up the preferred payment destination on Base, but my payer is paying me on Ethereum. So now I'm clicking Pay. I confirm. And the protocol have managed the bridging for me and the gas. So now the transaction is complete. You can verify it on Etherscan. You can also return to the request network dashboard, and you can see that the status is paid. You can view all the details of the transaction, and the screening checks have passed. You can also go to your safe account, and you can see that the $2 arrived to your Safe Smart account. So let's create two payments. Payment 1. And let's say with payment 1, I will pay my payer wallet. And let's say that payer wallet I want to pay $1 on Ethereum USDC. So I'm creating that payment link. And then I'm going to create another transaction, payment 2. And I'm going to pay, let's say, signer number 2. Let's say signer 2. Also $1, but let's say that person we're going to pay on a different chain, so Base and USDC. You can overwrite it if you want, but let's do Base. So I'll go back to my dashboard. So I've got my two payment requests pending. I can select both, create a batch payout. Here I'm going to connect my Safe Smart account. So connect wallet, copy link. And then I go back to my safe. I paste the link here. And you can see that now my safe ending in 447C is connected, which is the same here. And I can see the details. So I've got two payments on two different chains, and I'm going to pay them from my Safe Smart account because I've got my Safe Smart account on Base. I'm selecting Base and USDC. Clicking Pay. So now I'll go back to my safe, and here I've got my first signer wallet ending in D4DA. So I'm going to sign that transaction. Confirm. And now I'm going to connect with my signer 2 wallet. MetaMask signer number 2. Ending up in 5DF4. You can see it here. I can confirm. Continue. Sign. Confirm. So signing is processing. And now I can execute the transaction. Continue. Execute. Confirm. And now the transaction is going through. I can see that the payment was successful. So I was able to execute two payments on two different chains with a single approval process, including two different signers on my safe account.